Hi, everybody. This is Miss Sanchez. When you are ready to put your essential question and your sub questions for our final into a final product. So let me see. I'm going to show you guys. So here we have our final product, semester A for period 5, correct? So when you are creating a final product where you are going to have your answers. Okay, you can use PowerPoint, you can put it in a Word document, or you can use Prezi, you can use the Padlet, any of these. I'm going to show you a couple of these right now and how you would do this. Okay, the first one is this Prezi. And Prezi is just a program that has the templates already in there. And they're actually very easy to, it's very easy to copy and paste your information into it. So let's say that you have your answers. So let's say that here is part of your paragraph. All you would have to do is copy it and then paste it, okay, into your PowerPoint or into your Prezi. So when you go to prezi.com, okay, you would just type in prizi.com. You do want to create a account, and it's free. When you create your free account, please make sure you use your school email. All you have to do is once you get in, you come here. You can either choose Prezi Design or Prezi Video. You click on any one of these. You can find a template in here that's already done. Okay. If you choose Prezi Video and you did a PowerPoint, you can actually put your PowerPoint in here. Once you pick the template that you want, you go ahead and just copy and paste your information into it. Okay. There's all kinds of different templates that you can do. They have examples for you to use. Now, I used this example that had emojis just because I thought, oh, that's interesting. I liked it. So when it opens, you will be able to put your information into it. And as you can see, there's slides just like PowerPoint, but everything is already ready for you. You click on it, and once you have your box, you can write whatever you want inside your box. So all I did was copy and paste the questions from my Word document into this box. Okay? See where you have these? You would go ahead and click on it. Then you could put your copy and paste your question in here. Then you can put your answer in here. See up here on top? You can insert, you can share, you can style. Okay? Very simple. You can add pictures. When you go to insert, it'll give you all these different things you can insert into your slide. Over here, to go back home, to go back to your original slide, then you can go to your next one. You click on it, put your information in there that you want, come back home. Okay, you can do that with your 4 questions. Then on the last one, you can put your paragraph. Okay, you can also put pictures. Then you can go ahead and present. This is what it would look like. Okay. Every time you click, it takes you and it puts it right into something that you have on there. You can make it smaller. So once you create this, then you would go ahead and make your video of this. This is what would be considered your final product. So Prezi is one thing that you can use. The other one that you can use is Padlet, and you just go to padlet.com. Once you come to Padlet, you can also create your own account. And when you create your own account, you will come to a page that's like this one. And then all you would do is click on Make a Padlet. These are your templates. You can choose any of these that you want to put your information in. So if you want to use, let's say if we use this canvas one, go ahead and you select. Once you select, this is going to be your Padlet. This is where you're going to copy and paste your information. But before you do that, you set up your page, and you do that here. So here on the title, obviously, you would put ELD 3 final exam, okay? And then you can put a description. You can say essential question. And you could put response. Okay. If you want to put an icon, you can. It'll come out in the top. So you can either choose an icon that you want here, and it'll bring it up here. Okay. Now, here you can change your design. If you want to put your own picture, you can put your own picture. You can upload it, any picture that you want, and it'll stick it in there. Okay. Maybe my dog isn't the one that I want to put on there, because you want to put something that represents our topic. And since we're talking about relationships, maybe you want to put a picture that represents the relationships, right? So maybe I'll choose a picture of some of my kids, okay? You can put it anywhere, you can tile it, it's up to you the way you want to do it, okay? Or you can choose not to have your picture, and you can just choose to have color. It's up to you, however you want to do it. Okay. Okay, I do want you to put comments, because I am going to put your comments on there. Okay. And then you go next. And then you say start posting. And then right here in the bottom, you see the circle? You would click on that, and it's going to give you the title, just like we've done before. So here you could put Q1, that's your question. You come to your document where you have your questions, and you go to question number 1. Highlight it. Control C for copy. You go ahead and you come back to your Padlet. Control V, and there's going to be your question. And then you put your answer. You put your, whatever your answer is for that question, you type it in there, and then you add your picture, whatever picture you want to add. You can either take a picture if you want. You can go ahead and click on the little world, and then you look for the picture that you want, and you add it. So it says important relationships. So one of the things that I think are important relationship are best friends. So then I would click on here, and I would say best friends. And then I would choose a picture of best friends, and I would put it on there. Then you would add another one. Once you're finished with that, you would add another one for your question 2, your question 3, your question 4, and then you would do one for your essential question. So this is Padlet, Prezi. Most of you already know how to use PowerPoint. You can also do it in PowerPoint. So these are some of the few of the things that you can do to do your final product. Okay. Wish you luck. If you need any more help, let me know. You can send me a message through Teams, or you can send me an email through Microsoft 365. All right, everybody, good luck.